Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Asus ExpertBook budget laptop. Core i5 processor, 8GB memory, 512GB SSD, 15.6 inches Full HD screen. These are the things inside the box. User manual. Comes with a USB mouse also. USB optical mouse, power cord and power adapter. USB-C power adapter. This is the specification of the power adapter. 65 volt. And comes with the one carry bag also, 15.6 inches carry bag. Let's see the laptop. This is the laptop, budget laptop for student and office use. Smooth touchpad, Core i5 13th generation, Energy Star certified and TCO certified. Comes with HDMI port. This is the full size keyboard with a numerical pad without backlight, power button on the keyboard, 15.6 inches Full HD, 1920 by 1080. Comes with a webcam with privacy shutter, slim design. This is the ports of side look, USB port, ventilation system, card reader. Let's see the other side, 2 of USB-C port and Thunderbolt also on display port, HDMI, RJ45, USB, headphone jack combo. These are the connectivities. This is the top look. It comes with a light blue color with Asus logo. Please like the video. The full details I am going to mention in the description and price also. This is the side view of this unit. Budget laptop for student. 180 degrees you can use this laptop. It will go 180 degrees flat. Slim design. Core i5 13th generation, 8GB memory, DDR4 3200 speed, 512GB M.2 NVMe 2280 size. Budget laptop, Asus brand, ExpertBook. Thank you for watching.